Greetings everybody, it's Pam from Musicians Quick Tips, and I'm here today to talk to you about how you can safely ride your bike with your guitar case on your back. Hey all, we're going to get to the subject at hand right quick, but first I wanted to remind you that if you do like these particular videos that I'm doing, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button down below so that you'll get notifications when a new episode comes out. I'm trying to do these every 2 weeks, so stick with me and you might learn a few little tricks that you didn't know. And this is particularly for the DIY musician who is having fun doing what they're doing, but wants to do it comfortably and enjoy every minute of what they're doing. So, without further ado, today we're talking about getting on a bike and trying to bring your guitar equipment along with you safely. Problem with some of these gig bags is people try to wear them like they're regular backpacks, and because of that bulky guitar and the long headstock, it can kind of get in the way. So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways of modifying how you're carrying your gig bag so that you can safely bike to your next rehearsal or even your next gig. But first we have to go outside, so come along with me. So here we are outside, ready to go somewhere. And here's my gig bag with my guitar in it. If I'm just going to walk, I could just take the two straps, strap it on my shoulders, and go there. No problem, right? You've got your weight evenly distributed. Now, if I'm going to ride my bike, starts to become another story altogether. So first, you got to wear your helmet. And now you might start to begin to see a problem. Look at where I'm at right here. I'm already back as far as I can go in this position. Now, if you're on your bike, think about trying to look forward. You can only go so far. Let me demonstrate. So from the side view, you can see the problem immediately. My helmet is already hitting the neck of my guitar. In slow motion, it's a little more apparent that I can't even look forward far enough to the intersection to see cross traffic. And from the back view, you'll see that it's very hard to check over your left shoulder to look for traffic. Okay, so you can see the problem. I really couldn't lift my head up to look at traffic. I couldn't look behind me. Here's how you fix that. I'm going to take my case off, and you'll see you've got the two straps here. What I'm going to do with the one strap is I'm going to make it as long as possible so that I can sling it over my head and over to the opposite shoulder. With this strap, I'm going to make it as short as possible. Because what happens when you're trying to get on your bike is that this sling can catch onto your bike seat and that'll pull you backwards. So you need to tie this up somehow. And what I sometimes do is take a regular clip, fold it over. You could do it with all kinds of different fasteners, but this works pretty well. And put the clip on like that. That keeps it from falling down below the seat. And then you just take your one strap, put it over your shoulder like this so that the headstock is off to the right so that when you're looking for traffic, you can look back over your left shoulder. Let me demonstrate. Okay. Get back out onto the street. Now I can sit up completely straight, looking behind me, see the traffic, totally comfortable, signal. In slow-mo, you can see that I'm able to pull my head far enough back that I can look well ahead of me while I'm on my bike. And from the back view, you can see that I can clearly look behind me. So hopefully this video showed you a little bit about how you can safely get around on your bike using or carrying a gig bag without too much trauma. And actually it's fun. You can be that green musician you always wanted to be and still enjoy playing music and gigging out. So that's it for this week's quick tip. Again, if you're interested in more of these little instructional videos, please click the subscribe button and or go to PamBarrettMusic.com and check out the blog there. Great. Have a good day, everybody.